Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The next type of report that we will examine creating is the Trust Liability Balances by Client report. This report can show you the liability balances for all clients. Once again, start by creating a custom summary report within QuickBooks by selecting Reports, Custom Reports, Summary from the menu bar. In the Modify Report window, click the Display tab. Then select Customer from the Display Rows By drop-down menu in the Columns section. Next, click the Filters tab. Select the Name filter on the Filters tab, and then select All Customers/Jobs. You can then select the Account filter and use the drop-down to select the Client Trust Liabilities account. Then select the Date filter and change the setting to All. You can then click to the Header/Footer tab and type Trust Liability Balances by Client into the Report Title field. When you have finished making your customizations, simply click the OK button to save them. You can then save this as a custom report within the company file by simply memorizing the report. Also note that when previewing this report on screen, you can double-click on any transaction summary shown to use the Quick Zoom feature to display a custom transaction detail report for the selected client's case or matter. This custom transaction detail report will show all of the individual transactions that make the balance that is totaled within the main report.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.